Chúc mừng Giáng sinh an lành, thánh đức.
ঈদে মিলাদুল মাসিহ মুবারক হো।
যীশু খ্রিস্টের জন্মদিন উপলক্ষে সবাইকে জানাই শুভ বড়দিন।
Selamat Pesta Natal tahun 2022.
រីករាយបុណ្យព្រះយេស៊ូវប្រសូត
สุขสันต์วันพระคริสต์สมภพแด่ทุกท่านครับ
Joshua Christmas ke Brazil, tenu along Christmas ya kau ni minglamnya kan aja pasti.
ခရစ်ကိုဖဲမီနီတာကွေလက်ဟောကိုကိုခဲတယ်အော
ලෝවාසියෝ බසන්ට සාමය සතුට පිරි සිරි සුබනත්තලක් වේවා.
क्रिसमस की शुभकामनाएं।
இனிய கிறிஸ்து பிறப்பு விழா நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Maligayang Pasko at manibang bagong taon.
Fraternal greeting to all of you. Christmas is the celebration of God's presence in our midst. God brings true peace, joy, and love to all of us. We all experience the fullness of life through His only begotten Son, Jesus, who is Emmanuel, God with us. However, we will never experience this fullness of life unless we respond in faith, unless we cooperate with God's grace. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, I wish you all a meaningful Christmas celebration and a grace-filled New Year. God bless you, your family, and your community.